Dictionaries are one of the important data structures in Python. To define a dictionary in Python, dictionaries are used to store key-value pairs, and they are defined using curly braces. Each key-value pair is separated by a colon, and the pairs are separated by commas. Here's a quick example. Also construct a dictionary using the dict function by providing a sequence of key-value pairs. A list of tuples is commonly used for this purpose. Here's an example. Example demonstrates another way to define a dictionary using the dict function with a list of tuples. Here's your provided example. In Python dictionaries, values are accessed by specifying their corresponding keys within square brackets. Here's a simple example using your provided code. In this example, the del inventory pairs statement removes the entry for pairs from the inventory dictionary. The resulting dictionary no longer contains the key-value pair for pairs. It's important to note that using del on a key that doesn't exist in the dictionary will result in a key error. So, it's advisable to check for the existence of a key before attempting to delete it if needed.